Well, Craig, a win to kick off the campaign. What's the debrief on that game and how it all unfolded?
No, quite similar to what I was trying to explain through the week. It's going to be a difficult game because they do have energy. They were Group B as well, so they played against good opposition. And we also knew we had to be patient. And the way we're playing, it's different to what's been asked of the players before. And there's no right or wrong in this, but the way we look to move the ball and keep the ball, you're wanting them to come out. They weren't willing to at times, so we have to keep moving the ball. So we have to stay patient, and I have really tried to relay that message. And the longer the game goes, then the gaps get bigger, and hopefully you're able to find them then. So I'm definitely satisfied with the results. It's nice to work this week on a different shape. We went into a different shape on how we play, or how we have played in the Nations League. So that's another one ticked off for us, because it will give us a huge benefit with the games to come.
We are a bit pushed for time, but in terms of the 3 goals, you've just mentioned the space, the time that happens. The 3 goals we saw tonight, they all seem to come after tricky periods. You've spoken about adaptability. How pleased were you with that?
Adaptability's really huge. We knew the counter-attack was going to be, and it obviously led to the shape we were as well. We were 3-1, so with that shape you can be a little bit vulnerable to the counter-attack, but we wanted to create the numbers higher up. So we were aware of that, but if I'm being honest, I just felt the control with the game was so important to us. It's so important for us for the future. I think, 70-odd% possession. I'm not big on possession trust. Like, if I can get there and win, I much prefer it in one. But it's just a nice way to start the group. A difficult group, and would we have qualified tonight, or would we have gone out tonight? No. But it's, we want to aim for top spot. It's a long road. North Macedonia is going to be very tough. Of course, our position in the Nations Leagues give us a nice position to be in, because we do have a playoff not far off guaranteed. But we're not looking at that. It's like, how can we test ourselves in this group? So hopefully another tough game on Tuesday. Tuesday, am I right? Yes, I always get lost for days. And hopefully another positive performance.